Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a shared folder in Google Drive. So first off, let's create a folder. The way you do that is by going on the left-hand side here on the new button. Just click on new and then click on new folder. And let's call this shared folder, right? Let's click on create. Now on click on create, you'll see that you've created a new folder here. Now let's click on it. Now we're inside the shared folder, right? But this is not a shared folder yet. This is just a normal private folder for your own file. To make it our shared folder, we have to click on the shared folder here and then click on share, right? Now on share here, you can see now there's two ways you can make this shared. You can either give it access to anyone. So anyone with this folder link can access it. But right now, there are only a fewer, right? So anyone can see inside this folder. They can download whatever they need from this folder, but they can't edit it. So they can't delete, they can't change, they can't add new things to the folder. So it's strictly only for views and only for downloading. If you only want to share this with a specific group of people or a specific someone, you go to the upper bar here to add people, groups, or calendar events. So for example, I want to add my boss from my company to see this folder, right? So I'm just going to do boss@gmail.com, for example. In real cases, you'll add your actual boss's email into this, right? But that's the two options you have. You can either add them here or use general access to add them there. If it's general access, make sure it's anyone with the link, update the role, and then copy a link and send it to whatever group you'd like. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.